Hey, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, X, wherever you're at. This is Kendall, co-founder at Clicki here. Hope you're doing well. Wanted to shoot a quick video, give you a little live sneak preview of V2. If you're tired of paying Google, if you're tired of paying Facebook, if you're tired of paying Angie's List, Home Advisor, we think there's a better way. We think there should be a door number three. Like it just seems like at the end of the day, the only people winning in that relationship with either bidding for pay per click or spending money on Facebook ads at the end of the day is Google and Meta. And I don't think they need any more money, right? So we believe that you should pay your customers cash to promote your business. We've made it extremely easy to do it. If you don't know who I am, my name's Kendall Hines. The last 10 years, I've been in the home services industry, the beauty industry, come to find out, and the software industry with building technology. And had a really fun time the entire time. So what you're looking at here is something that I built for myself. This is something that I've wished existed at all the companies that I've owned and ran. And when I looked out in the world, there's just nothing really scratched that itch, the way that I thought it should be done. Super modern, uh, easy, no passwords. There needed to be a system. And at the end of the day, nothing like that existed. Um, a lot of companies, they have a referral program. Nobody has a referral system. If there's no system, then what it leads to is a lot of empty promises, basically, to your customers, and a lot of unhappy customers because they have to call your office. Did I get my referral reward? Did X and X sign up? Right? We want to take all that obscurity out, and that's what we've done with Clicki. So basically, what you're looking at here on the screen is the promoter application. It's fully white labeled to your business, makes it extremely easy for your customers to get their referral link, one click share out to all platforms. And then once they actually earn money in your program, they can simply tap a button and get a Venmo, tap a button and get an ACH, tap a button and get an Amazon gift card, all without your company or any of your team members touching it or worrying about it. So we've automated that entire process to make your brand look awesome. And obviously your customers know your brand, they trust your brand. So we believe that needs to be front and center. So that's why you see in this case the referral link for Mashalash is refer.mashalash.com. That's the link, the root link that all their customers share right out on Facebook and Nextdoor and Instagram. And literally all of these brands on the screen pay their customers cash, the same cash they would pay Google and Facebook instead of paying big tech, right? They're paying their customers to promote them online. So it's been super exciting over the last, I guess, almost a year now. We've been working on this, working on version 2, basically taking version 1 and taking all of the learnings that we've learned with that and rolling it into, I call it the real version of Clicki, is what you're looking at here, our hyper scalable version. And we try to make it really simple and really beautiful for your customers to share and promote your business. So let's dive in though. Let's get into the nitty gritty. Let me show you a little bit of a live demo. So right now I just added, I'm screen sharing my phone here. I've got it wired up to the computer, and we've got a company here called Turf Cleaning Company. It's literally their name. It's called Turf Cleaning Company. They're in Arizona. They clean artificial turf. And they use Clicki in their business. So I'm going to actually show you their promoter application, how easy it is for their customers to actually participate in their referral program. So in Turf Cleaning Company's case, they pay $50 per referral and $1 a click. And if you don't know much about Clicki, we allow you to pay any way you want to. But what we found is the best way to pay is per click, which drives people to post their links as much as possible. And then you have the referral bonus, right? So every time I have a referral that books, me as the customer, me as the promoter, I get a referral bonus. And Clicki is taking care of that, making everything automatic, everything beautiful, everything simple. So I'm going to log in as if I was a customer. So everybody logs in with their phone number. There's no passwords for them to remember. You can see a code's going to hit my phone. It's already here. And within 3 seconds, I'm into Turf Cleaning Company's promoter app. And confetti, we love the confetti. We want to keep this fun. We want to keep it gamified. We want to keep it beautiful. It's got to be modern. and you can see there's $1 in my account right now. So I can see my account balance, how much is available for me to cash out. But let's take a look through the promoter app of, we really tried to think through everything that um, that your customers or anybody participating in these programs would want to see. So if you click on my referrals, they'll be able to see, all of the referrals that they've generated either via their link, or we made it so they can self-submit referrals. This would be if I actually knew this person's contact information, I could just simply type it in and then it's actually forwarded to the turf cleaning company to follow up on. But you'll notice it's in a status right now. Elon Musk is in not paid status, meaning Elon Musk is a referral of turf cleaning company. But Elon Musk has not signed up yet. Therefore, this promoter, in this case, it's me, has not gotten my referral bonus. But you notice it says this app is synced with our booking system. When this referral becomes a paying customer, your balance will be automatically updated. You'll be notified when this referral becomes a customer. So we're actually updating you, the promoters along the way, keeping them engaged, taking out this obscurity of like, did I get my referral credit? Has this person booked? So they're literally tucked in every step of the way. And we found the more customers that trust the process, the more they're willing to promote you and your brand. So we're back on the share my links page. So this is a normal link. They could share it, they can text it, they can post it on Facebook, they can add it to their link tree. Like sky is the limit. But we really tried to think through like, how can we take somebody and make it really easy for anybody to share? And you can see they can one-click share to many different platforms: Facebook, LinkedIn, X. They can text their link to friends, iMessage, email, Messenger. So we made it really easy for them to one-click share their link. So you can see when I do that, it's actually going to open up the native share function on Facebook. And you can see it's a personalized landing page. So it says, get 50% off the first cleaning with Kendall's referral. And I can go ahead and add some personal context here so all my friends and family can see that, what I think. Maybe I want to leave a quick testimonial or review, but let's just post that to my page. And now all my friends and family are going to be served that ad. And we'll go to my homepage here and boom, there it is. So that's what's showing in my feed to all my friends and family. But you're probably wondering like, well, what do people see when they click on this? How are you doing all the tracking and whatnot? So when I click on it, I'm actually served a unique landing page. So Kendall recommends turf cleaning company. We love them. You will too. Get 50% off your first turf cleaning with Kendall's referral. And obviously, there's a couple different dynamics going on here. One is we really wanted to personalize these pages to build trust with people clicking on them, which trust increases conversion, right? And it incentivizes people to fill out this form and request an estimate for turf cleaning. We can do videos on this page, which they've shot a pretty awesome and sweet video, I would say, to really highlight what makes their process special here. And we can do videos, Google reviews on this page to really customize it to your business. But what I think is really cool is, imagine you had 1,000 links out in the world. What Clicki allows you to do really easily is, as a brand, I can go in here and edit the content on those 1,000 pages in one spot. And I'm going to show you that here in a second via the company dashboard. So let's X out for now. Let's go back to the promoter application. Just pop in real quick. Boom, I'm back in. And another cool thing about Clicki is we've made it really easy for them to save it as an app on their phone. So you can see here, I'm going to do install app, boom, add to home screen. And now it's an app on my phone. So if I go and find turf cleaning company, boom, there it is, an app, a native app on the phone. You'll notice no browser window at the bottom here. It's a native app on the phone. And what this opens the door for us in the future is actually push notifications, which we're super excited about. And that will be in a future release. So another aspect of the promoter app is we make it really easy for them to cash out. So obviously right now I can't because I have $1 in my wallet. There's a $5 minimum, but this is a demo account. So I made it really easy to show you that basically once they cash out, What's happening in the background, what Clicky's doing is actually charging the company's credit card, grabbing the funds and making them immediately available in this digital wallet here. So you can see there's $15 in my digital wallet that I've already cashed out. So I'm going to click on withdraw funds, and it's going to allow me to pick, where do I want this money sent? Do I want a Venmo? Do I want an ACH? Do I want a PayPal? Do I want a Cash App? Do I want a virtual Visa gift card? Do I want an Amazon gift card? So your customers can actually pick, where do I want my funds sent to, right? Pretty awesome. So that's the promoter app side of Clicki. That's what your customers use. The other side of Clicki is actually what you as a business use to run these programs. So let's switch screens here. I'm going to take this off, and we're going to switch over to the company side of Clicki, which I think is super awesome. Put a lot of time into this to make sure it's simple, it's easy, it's sexy, that like I love spending time in the app. So we really wanted to simplify things, and you have no idea about how much effort it does take to simplify something like this, to reduce it down to its true essence of the idea and what's actually going to drive results in the platform. So let's dive in. So we have this concept on Clicki of campaigns. You're able to do as many campaigns as you like. When we upload you to, when you start with Clicki, we give everybody a default campaign called referral rewards to help you get started. This would be typically like your customers joining this. And you can see a campaign consists of 4 different things. So you're able to customize the URL slug when these links are actually shared out in the world. You can customize what that slug looks like. The next step to customizing a campaign, especially for local businesses, this is super important, is setting your budget. And we allow you to really easily set your budget by geography. This is why it's important to local businesses. You could set to the United States, you could set it to Canada, you could set it to multiple states, you can do multiple geo bounties. In this case, this business services the Metro Phoenix area, so they only have one geo bounty set up. And right now they're paying $1 a click and $50 per successful referral. So every time a referral converts to a customer, they're paying the promoter $50. And we make it really easy to set the budget. You can edit this on the fly. You can increase budget, made it really simple. Next step over is the landing page. So when people click on these links, like, what are they actually seeing in the real world? We're able to edit all of that here with our simple drag and drop builder. We've made this extremely easy, where anybody can come in here and edit the content on these landing pages at any given time. So as soon as you update the content here, it streams it across all of your 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 links instantly, right? What does that allow you to do? It allows you to iterate on different ideas and offers in real time. So you're not locked into one offer or one idea, or having to go to your dev department or web team to actually update these offers on the pages. We've made it so the mere common human and mortal can actually edit these landing pages. So, and by the way, they're personalized. So you see Kendall, promoter first name, recommends, company name, and you can use these all throughout the page in different ways, any way you want to. You can embed stuff. We got this cool HTML script here. You can use our little chat GPT to spin up stuff if you're kind of got writer's block, or you want chat GPT to spin up an image to use on these landing pages. But we've made it really easy to actually edit these landing pages. You can also set it's called open graph data or live preview data. If you remembered earlier in the video, that's the image that actually shows up on Facebook. You're able to edit that image here. And we're planning to make this more beautiful and user-friendly, so you can actually see live previews of what this all is and looks like on the other side. But again, this is our V1, V2 of the real version of Clicki. So going to be making it more beautiful. So the kickoff email or the welcome email. When you add a promoter to Clicki, you're actually able to customize the email that gets sent out to your new customer, your new promoter, your new ambassador. You know, people call it different things. But at the end of the day, you're able to customize that here. What it looks like, how does it feel? Like, does it sound like your business? If you want to add pictures or videos, you're able to do that here and actually save it right to Clicki. So and it's instant. Like as soon as you update it, any new promoters you add moving forward are going to get this new email. Same thing for SMS. So we've made it really easy. Every time you add a promoter to Clicki, they get an SMS. Welcome. Hey, we pay $50 per referral and $1 a click cash. Submit referrals and share your link referral now. Log into your dashboard here. And that link that gets inserted is the dashboard. Log into the app that I just showed you. So what we also allow you to do, especially for local businesses, is set a default sending number with a unique area code, right? So if you're in Michigan or Metro Grand Rapids and you want all of your text messages to come from a 616 number, so it's a local number, so people aren't like, what the heck, who's this from? Like they immediately trust it, seeing that local area code. We've seen conversion actually increase when it's sent from a local number. So super important, really exciting, and we think it really makes a difference here with generating referrals in the business. So let's dive in though. Let's go and take a look at the promoter level. So we'll go to promoters. We'll go find Kendall, his demo account within the turf cleaning company. And you can see I've only got $1 in my balance, as we saw before. But oh, what is this? Not verified clicks, right? So I think one of the most important things about Clicki that we've been seeing is it allows brands to understand where their referral traffic's coming from. It allows you to see where they're posting, who is posting what. And in this case, Kendall Hines, look at all of these non-verified clicks. Why is it non-verified? Great question. Let's see. So that you can actually click into each individual click and see why it's not verified. As a brand in a business, your business does not pay for verified clicks, or your business does not pay for not verified clicks. Your business only pays for verified clicks. But in any event, the reason why this wasn't a not verified click was geo bounty with 0 payouts. That means it was outside of that geo bounty. In this case, this click happened in Michigan, and this business is in Arizona. So you can see all these different data points that we're using to verify this traffic and not verify it. And we're doing all this in real time. So we know if they're on a VPN, if they're incognito. We remember this person for a long time. So even if they were to come back 2 weeks from now on the same device, wherever, we would know exactly who they are. And your brand, your business would not pay for that traffic. So I think one of the coolest things about Clicki is this idea that you're able to track everything. Think of it as Google Analytics for your referral program. So you can actually see who's driving the results and the success on the platform. If you click on the analytics view here, boom, you're able to see by source across your entire program, where are all of our verified clicks coming from? Where are our referrals coming from? You're able to actually see that here. Instagram is their best source right now. Even it shows mobile Facebook, regular Facebook. So obviously a lot of Instagram and Facebook, we see that a lot, on the platform. Another thing that we're helping you see at a moment's notice is a balance activity or a ledger activity of the program. So you're able to actually see in real time, like a stream of all of your verified clicks, your non-verified clicks, and like, what does that mean in the business? So, and then again, under company settings, you're able to actually edit your branding. We make that really easy. You can update that at any time. That's the logo that actually shows in your app, and then your app image that will show on your customer's phone. If you're more techie, like myself, this is where you go to set up your custom domain, and you can actually basically all of your referral links will live on your domain, which is pretty awesome and amazing. It's a really nice branded, beautiful experience, and our customers really love it. So, but yeah, that's the back end Clicki dashboard. We just make it really easy for you to run and grow these campaigns. From here, your customers can add, or your team can add new promoters. You can also bulk upload promoters. Just upload a CSV file. You can upload all of your customers right to Clicki and automate that. Let's go back to promoters. I kind of glazed over one new feature we just built and released that's pretty exciting. So let's go find Kendall Hines and let's see here. Computer's got to catch up to me. Let's go find Kendall Hines. And I want to show you a new feature that we built called Manual Bonus. And this is a really exciting feature because this actually came from a recommendation from one of our customers who said, Kendall, we love Clicki, that we're generating referrals via our customers and the links, but we're actually getting people that still refer us the old fashioned way. Well, what's that? It's when somebody calls into your office and says, yeah, I was referred by Tom Johnson. Well, let's say that person ends up signing up. How are you going to get Tom Johnson his referral rewards? You could still write him a check or send him a Visa gift card like you used to. Or what we recommend is you would give that person a manual bonus. And you can give people manual bonuses for anything, for any reason. Could be for referrals, could be for a happy birthday, could be for like just because we love you. It's really up to you. It could be for any amount. So let's say it's $50. Thanks for referring Bill Johnson. Click add. Kendall Hines, in this case, is going to get an email and text message letting him know he just earned money. And it's in his account available for immediate cash out. So it's instant. Like now Kendall can instantly cash out his $51 from your company. And where Clicki is really innovating is our real-time cash outs. So how the cash outs work on Clicki is when Kendall Hines goes to cash out his 51 bucks, what happens is Clicki is actually billing your company's credit card in the background, and then we're facilitating the cash out to your customer. So from your customer's perspective, this is happening in about 5 minutes. When they tap cash out, we're charging your card, we're verifying funds, then we're sending the money to your customer. That also means we're handling all 1099 liability. So we're making this really beautiful and really simple for your customers. We had to put a lot of work in to make that happen, but that's another huge benefit is basically once it's on the Clicki platform, you and your team wash the hands of it. You don't have to think about it again. It's done. It's on your customer now to go in and cash out. And guess where they have to go to cash out? They have to go into your rewards app. Well, what else is there? It's their referral link is there. And they can submit more referrals there and earn more money. So basically you're giving gasoline to somebody who's already referring you the old fashioned way. And what we've seen is actually 4X's the referrals generated by companies using this feature, manual rewards, manual bonuses, using Clicki for all of their referral rewards. And Clicki becomes the referral system for their entire company. So they're getting their CSRs into this dashboard. They're getting their salespeople. And as they're selling new account, oh yeah, I was referred by Jill Smith, go into Jill Smith's account, dropping money in her account, and they're done. It takes 10 seconds. It's there. So there's a one-to-one sync between your CRM and Clicki. And for most CRMs, we can integrate organically. Which leads me to my next point. How do we integrate into your current workflows and apps you already use? With Clicki, we've built webhooks going in and out of the system. So literally, anything that you do in Clicki, you can webhook the data in and you can webhook the data out. So think of it as a true one-to-one sync between your CRM, between high-level, field routes, Jobber, literally Zoho, HubSpot, like all of them. You can push data in and out of Clicki, and this is how we automate the referral program in your business as we hook it up to that source of truth. You can hook it up to QuickBooks. You can hook it up to anything. Whenever anybody submits an invoice, we want to pay out that referral bonus in Clicki automatically. Boom, done. We automate all of that in your business. So hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody has a great holiday weekend coming up and you enjoy some of this great weather that we have coming our way. Hope everybody's doing well. If you want to learn more on Clicki, check us out. Book a demo next week. We'd love to take you through it. And we're getting ready for the big launch. We're getting all of our V1 clients migrated over to V2 of what you're looking at here. And then once we get that complete, we're going to make this publicly available to everybody. To literally, most companies go live in a couple of days. You can go live same day if you want to. just about how fast that you want to move. We've made this really easy, really simple for companies to say, yes, I want a referral system for my business. And then the next day you can be implementing it and actually start generating referrals instead of thinking about it. So hope everybody's doing well, and we'll talk to you soon.